Take two. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the BOCAS brand top class stainless steel blade, nail, and toenail clippers travel and grooming hygiene kit. This is made in Korea and it allows you to ergonomically cut your nails and manicure and get them looking and feeling perfect. Now this is something that's totally unique. First of all, I will show you the nice little case this comes in. This is a unique product in a couple different ways. It's patented, and I'm going to be showing you exactly what's unique about it. But this is a different method to cut nails. And a traditional nail cutter, which is what I have right here, which is a top brand actually. I want you to look closely at the way it's cutting. It goes up and down, and notice that the profile on the top is curved like you're used to, but the profile of the cutting blade is exactly flat. Now when you look at your nail is not flat. So when you use a traditional trimmer like this and it goes across that, notice that they don't match up. You have a curved nail and a flat blade. So what this product is doing is taking care of that problem. And if you look and you open this up, notice that it has a curve on there matching the profile of your nail. Now what does that mean? What that means is that this is going to cut your nail more effectively, easily, and as you're pushing down on the nail, which has this shape, you're not going to be putting some uneven forces on your nail when you're cutting it, and it really makes a difference. So traditional nail cutter produces forces because it is a flat cutting blade. This new technology does not do that because your nail is curved and this conforms to the natural curve of your nail. Very unique. I never saw something like this before, so I was really impressed with it. So this kit has a large toenail cutter, and notice it has this nice recess in there for your fingers. And because this is so long compared to a normal nail clipper, you get a lot of torque, and it's very easy to push down. You'll also notice that this kit has this really nifty magnifier that attaches with a magnet, so that when you're cutting your nail, now you could use the magnifier to see your nail. And you could adjust the angle of this magnifier so that it's parallel to your nail being cut. And you could also rotate it left to right so that you could see your fingernail in there and get a better idea of how to cut it. Now the camera's not showing it properly because I could put this on and I could see my nail perfectly here, but it's hard for me to show it into the camera. But it works. You could rotate this and you could see your nail being cut, and that's a nice feature on there. So it has the large toenail clipper and it has the smaller toenail clipper. Now the smaller one doesn't have the magnet on it because you don't need it, because you're doing your hands and your hands are close to your eyes. Now another thing that's totally unique about this product, other than the finger recess there, the extra torque, and that totally unique curved cutting blade, is that notice that you could change the angle of the cutting blade. And you think, well, why is that important? Well, think about it. You're doing your nails and you want to change the angle, so you want to go this way. That allows you to cut this nail while you're holding it naturally like that. So that's another thing that's totally unique, is the angle adjustment on there. That's the first I've ever seen that on a product also. So that's really, really handy. Now the other product that is in this kit is their BOCAS sander nail file. And this works really well. It's all metal, and I'm sure the camera can't pick it up, but it has a very fine mesh on there of stainless steel, and it's the good stainless steel, the one that will not rust, and that's what you want. So it's also nice and small, and notice that it has a little handle on there, which is nice so that you gain a lot of control. So that's also included in this kit. Now the alloy that they use on this product is 304 stainless steel, and it's more expensive for them to make, but the product ends up being more rust resistant, and you don't have to worry about it breaking down with moisture. And just to show you, there is only a slight magnetic attraction to this metal because they make it a blend so that it keeps its hardness. Now if I take this magnet to the traditional one you see at the store like Walgreens, it's very strong magnetic pull because they're not using a high quality stainless steel on there. So here I'm going to demonstrate how well this works. I have this material that is the thickness of a nail, and it really matches the texture of a nail also. So once again, I'm going to show you that curved angle right there, how it matches the nail profile. So let's show you how well this works. Here's your nail, and it just trims it right off. And as I'm doing this, there's no pressure on that nail. This nail does not flex, and you have to go straight like it does with your traditional nail cutter. So what's my overall opinion about the BOCAS brand, their top-class stainless steel blade nail and toenail clipper traveling grooming hygiene kit made in Korea? I demonstrated how great this product is. I'm really impressed with it. They have a patent for this design, totally unique, works excellent, and I think you're going to really love it. It's priced really great, and I highly recommend you give this a try. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.